Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. Today we are going to discuss about the questions and concepts of equations and inequalities. Okay, this lesson will be very easy for you if you will understand the basic concept of all these things. Let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing is find the solution of the following equations. Solution means we have to find the value of the variable for which left hand side of the equation is equal to the right hand side. So my dear students, there are various ways to find the solution. You can use substitution method, you can use inspection method, you can use general method. It depends on the nature of the equation. If it is easy, you can do it directly also. Okay. For example, if you see from what number you will subtract 3 to get 6. Yes, I am sure you are getting the correct answer, but I would like to discuss it with the general method. Okay. See, x is with -3. So every time you will do the opposite calculation. This I have explained in my another video also in detail. So both the sides it will be +3 and +3. So x will be equal to 6 plus 3, 9. Okay. Why only x here? Because this -3 and +3 will be cancelled out. Okay. If you want to double check your answer, what you will do? You just plug in this value of x here in the question. So 9 minus 3 will be equal to 6. So you see both sides are equal. If both sides are not same, it means somewhere our calculation is wrong. Okay. So check your calculation again then. Now next is x plus 3.5 is equal to -6. So in the same way, you will make here -3.5 and here also -3.5. So positive 3.5, -3.5 cancel. You will get x is equal to, now you see here, both the numbers are negative. So if both numbers are negative, then what you will do? You will add the numbers. So 6 plus 3.5 is 9.5, and since both are negative, so put here negative sign. Okay. Now another question is 2x over 5 plus 4 and 1 over 5 is equal to 10. Now see, this is not one step equation. Okay. This is double step equation or multi-step equation, you can see. So first of all, we will deal with positive or negative here. So this is positive. So first we'll try to remove this. Okay. So -4 and 1 over 5, -4 and 1 over 5. So this will be 2x over 5 is equal to 10 minus 4. What I told you, you just write it as a different number or leave it. We are not going to write that like that. I am telling you the method by which you can solve all the questions. Okay. So 4 and 1 over 5. Just convert it into the improper fraction. And what you will do for this? 4 multiply 5 plus 1 over 5. So this is 4 times 5, 20, 20 plus 1, 21 over 5. Now you can see with 10 we don't have any fraction. We don't have any denominator. So you just write it 1 here and then cross multiply. This is the thing what I have told you in my another video. You can take LCM, you can say cross multiplication, whatever you want, you can say. Okay. Now, so 10 multiply 5, 50. We are going cross multiply like this. Okay. And here also like this, and down also multiply. So this is minus 21 multiply 1, 21 over 5 multiply 1, 5. Okay. Now you see here both the places have 5 down. Here also and here also. So they will be cancelled out. So what you are getting it? 2x is equal to 50 minus 21. I think it will be 29 if I am not wrong. So both sides you will divide by 2, divide by 2. So x will be equal to 29 by 2. So it is improper fraction. Improper fraction means when numerator is bigger than the denominator. So necessarily you will write it in mixed fraction form. So 29 you will divide it by 2. So what you will get? Here you will get 14, 28 minus this is 1. So answer will be 14 and 1 over 2. Okay. So you will practice the last question also carefully. Make sure that you are doing it correctly. Okay. Now next question is Juma is making headbands for his friends. Each headband needs 16.5 centimeter of elastic and he has 132 centimeter of elastic. Solve the equation 16 and 1 over 2x is equal to 132 to find x, where x is the number of headbands Juma can make. Now you see, they have already given us the equation, so question becomes easy for us now. Now what you will do here, this is written in the multiplication with x. So we'll make the division both sides. But before that, this mixed fraction will be converted into improper fraction. So what you will do here, you will multiply 16 with 2 and then plus 1 over 2 times x is equal to 132, means 16 times 2, 32 plus 1, 33 over 2 times x. Okay, so it is equal to 132. Now here it will be, you see, you will divide both sides by 33 over 2. Here also 33 over 2. So what we are going to get here, x is equal to 132 divided by 33 over 2. Now what I told you before also, that whenever you have division followed by this fractional number, then what you will do, you will write multiplication for division and then it will be reciprocal or flipped. Fraction will be flipped. Now you can see here, 133 is up and 33 is down. So divide this number. Okay, and I am sure you can divide 133 by 33 and I think it will be 4. Okay, and then 4 multiply 2 will be equal to 8. So this is the answer. Okay, so 8 headbands Juma can make. Now next is, Ibrahim has dirham 12.25 to spend on sports drink. This is the total money what Ibrahim has. Each drink cost, each means one drink cost 1.75 dirham. If D represents the number of drinks Ibrahim can buy, write the equation to represent this situation and also solve the equation. Now you see, for one drink, it is costing 1.75 dirham. And how many drinks he is buying? D. We don't know the value of D, but we'll find it. And how much total value he has? He has 12.25. So this is the required equation. Okay, and they say to solve the equation. So what you will do? You will find the value of D also. So divide 1.75. Here also divide 1.75. So D will be equal to 12.25 over 1.75. Now you see, I will tell you with this question, I will tell you how to divide also. I am sure you know this, but just a revision only. You see, in numerator and denominator at both the places we have same number of decimal place. Here also 2, here also 2 decimal places. So just cancel this decimal point. Now it becomes 1225 divided by 175. Now you can see both the numbers. Either if you want, you can divide by directly by 175, or if you want, you can divide it by 5 or you can divide it by 25 also, depends. Like whatever calculation you can do here. Okay, so I am doing by 5. So 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 4, 20, 5 times 5, 25. Here 5 times 3, 15, and then 5 times 5, 25. Now we got 245 over 35, again divided by 5. So 5 times 7, 35, 5 times 4, 20, 4 remainder 45, 5 times 9, 45. Okay, now 49 divided by 7, it is easy calculation, so it is 7. So how many drinks Ibrahim can buy? 7 drinks. Okay, now the next is, on Sunday and Monday, two things are there, Sunday and Monday, Ali went running and burned a total of 657.3 calories. He burned 460 on Sunday. Okay, now you see, two things are there, Sunday and Monday. On total, these two, he burned 657.3 calories. On Sunday, how much he burned? 460. And then Monday, we don't know, so take it as X is equal to 657.3. This is the addition equation. Okay, write an addition equation, and then they did not ask to solve this, but we'll do it. Okay, just for practice. So let's find the value of X. So negative 460 both the sides, 460 here also. So x is equal to, you see, we don't have decimal point in the down number, so just write decimal and put 0 here. So 3 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 0, 7. Sorry, 3 minus 0, 3. 7 minus 0, 7. Then 5 minus 6, not possible. So borrow 1 from here, it becomes 15 and 6 will become 5. 15 minus 6, 9. Then 5 minus 4, 1. So 197.3 calories he will burn on Monday. Okay. Now, next is, on a two-way car trip, Mohannad family drove a total of 1542.50 miles on day 1. Now you see, again we have two things, day 1 and day 2. Okay. Total, they drove 1542.50 miles. On day 1, they drove 576.75 miles. Day 2, we don't know, so write it as x is equal to 1542 and then 0.50. So again, find the value of x. Maybe they ask it out for no. Write an addition equation that could be used to find how many miles he drove on day 2. Yes, they asked this thing, so we'll have to find the value of x. So minus 576.75 both the sides. Here also 576.75. Now subtract it. Be careful with the subtraction. So this is 0 minus 5, not possible. So borrow 1 from here, it will become 4, it becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 7, again not possible. So borrow 1 from here, it becomes 14. 14 minus 7, 7. Then 1 minus 6, not possible. So borrow 1 from here also, it becomes 11. 11 minus 6, 5. 3 minus 7, not possible. So borrow 1 from here, it becomes 13. 13 minus 7, 6. And 14 minus 5, 9. So they drove 965.75 miles on day 2. Okay. Now next is, Ahmed has 30 dirham to spend on ice cream for a party. The table shows the cost of each size of ice cream. Here it is, size of the ice cream is written, gallon, pint and quart. He bought 5 quarts and 1 gallon. Write an addition equation that can be used to determine how much more money Ahmed still has to spend. Then solve the equation. Okay. Now let's see. He has total 20 dirham. So what he can do here? He bought 5 quarts. So 5 quarts means, for 1 quart you have 3.35 price. So for 5 quarts it will be 5 multiply 3.35 plus, and 1 gallon, and gallon costs 6.99 dirham. So 1 multiply 6.99. Okay. Then write an addition equation. So plus some money he will be left with him. So plus x is equal to how much total money he had in starting? 30 dirham. Now let's simplify this and solve this equation. Okay. So this is 5 multiply 3.35. So 5 times 5, 25. 5 3s are 15. 15 and 2, 17. 1 forward. 5 times 3, 15 and 1, 16. Plus 6.99 plus x is equal to 30. So 5 plus 9, 14. 5 plus 9, 14. 1, 7, 1, 8 and 9, 17. 1, 6, 1, 7. 7 and 6, 13 and 1 and 1, 2. Plus x is equal to 30. So x will be equal to what? X will be equal to 30.00 minus 23.74. So just subtract it. 4 minus 0 minus 4, not possible. So it will borrow and it will become 10. So 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. Then 9 minus 3, 6. Okay. So 6.26 dirham still he will be left after buying 5 quarts and 1 gallon. Okay. Now next is, on Monday, homeroom 104 turned into 64 canned goods. This is 17 less than the number of canned goods turned in by homeroom 106. See, these are the names only. Okay, you can take like A and B. So, for homeroom 104 and here 106. How much canned goods he has? 104 has 64. So, this is the main information here, 64. Then, this is 17 less than 17 less from homeroom 106. So how much there for homeroom 6? 106. This is x. So this is the subtraction equation. X minus 17 is equal to 64. What was the question? Write the subtraction equation that could be used to find the number of canned goods turned in by homeroom on Monday. Okay. So if they want to solve this equation, then just 64 plus 17, so it will be 81. Okay. Now next is, on Sunday Salem biked 17.75 miles. This is 5.4 fewer miles than, fewer means, if you remember I told you, means minus, miles than the number of miles he biked on Saturday. So you see, Sunday and Saturday, two things are there. On Sunday he biked 17.75. It was 5.4 fewer than on Saturday. So it is x and then equal. So this is the equation. X minus 5.4 is equal to 17.75. And if they ask you to solve the value of x, then just x is equal to 17.75 plus 5.40. So this is x is equal to 5, 7, 4, 11, 1 carry forward, 7, 5, 12, 1, 13, and 1 plus 1, 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now, next is solve this equation. 5 and a half equal to x minus 12 and 1 over 3. So what you can do here, you will make 12 over 1 over 3, both the sides, plus 12 and 1 over 3. So x is equal to, see students, I told you in case of addition and subtraction, you can write the mixed fractions separately. Okay. Means I will write here as 5 plus 1 over 2 and then plus 12 plus 1 over 3. This whole number is separate, this 12 here, and then 1 over 3 write separately. Okay. Now, but this thing you will do only in the case of addition and subtraction, not for multiplication and division. Now, 5 and 12, 5 plus 12 will be 17 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. How you are going to add them? Just by cross multiplication like this, and then down multiplication also. So this is 17 plus 3 plus 2 over 3 multiplied to 6. So that is 17 and 5 over 6. Okay, this is the answer. Next is, after spending money for a golf outing, Jassim had AED 517.92 remaining in his checking account. See, this is the left amount, what he has after shopping, after spending some money. Okay, it means it will go after equal to 517.92 he has left. The table shows how much money he spent on different items to participate in the outing. Use an equation to find how much money Jassim originally had in his checking account. Okay, so he paid 94.50 dirham for entry fees. He paid 44.25 dirham for golf shoes, and he paid 11.25 dirham for gloves. So just write the numbers. 94.50 for entry fees, then 44.25 for the shoes, and then 11.25 for the gloves. And how much money he left? Maybe he left with X. Sorry, maybe he has some more money, like he has, after spending this money, he has, okay, so he is left. Okay, so how much total money he has? So all these amount will be subtracted from X. Okay, so this is X minus, make these all numbers plus. So 5 and 5, 10, then 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 8, 8 and 2, 10, 1 forward, 4, 1, 5, 5, 4, 9, 9 and 1, 10, 1 again forward, 9, 1, 10, 10, 4, 14, 14 and 1, 15 equal 517.92. So this will be x is equal to 517.92 plus 150. Just add them, it will be 0.92 and then 7 plus 0, 7, 1 plus 5, 6, 5 plus 1, 6. So he had 667.92 dirham in starting. Okay. Now, next is Abdul Rahman and some friends went to an adventure park. The total cost, Abdul Rahman and some friends, we don't know the number of friends, so let's take it as X, total, okay. The total cost of their tickets was 374. So it was the total cost, and then each person paid 46.75. Each person means price for one ticket was 46.75. Write a multiplication equation that can be used that how many people bought tickets to the adventure park. So I have taken here as x. So 45.75 x is equal to 374. So x will be equal to 374 over 46.75. Okay. So need just only divide this number, or you can do the estimation also. Okay, estimation, maybe it will be okay for you, because I think it will be somewhere around 8 to 9. Okay, somewhere. Okay, I am not sure with the calculation here, but it will be somewhere between 8 to 9. So it is just a division only. So divide the number. Okay. Now, next is the distance around the lake is 3.5 miles. So suppose this is the lake. So if you take one round, it cover 3.5 miles. Okay. Now, on Sunday, Hilal biked a total of 10.5 miles around the lake. So 10.5 miles total, it means it is equal. Okay. Now 3.5 for one round. So how many rounds he has taken? X. So write a multiplication equation that can be used to find the number of times Hilal around the lake. So x we have to find here. So x is equal to 10.5 divided by 3.5. You can see here decimal number of decimal places are same. Here also one place of decimal, here also one place of decimal. So cancel the decimal point. Okay, cancel the decimal point. 105 divided by 5 will be, I think it will be 3. So he has taken 3 rounds. Okay. Next is solve the equation. This type of question I have told you, just let's finish it quickly. So again, you will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 7 times 5 plus 3 over 5 equal 2 times 5 plus 1 over 5 into x. Now you see, denominator both has x, so cancel it. But remember students, it should be on opposite side, okay? And there should be no plus minus in between. So cancel it. So x is equal to 7 times 5, 35 plus 3, 38 over 5 times 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Now 38 over 11, it cannot be simplified because 11 is a prime number. So you will divide this and write in the form of mixed fraction. So 11 will divide 38, 11 threes are 33, and then 5 will be left over. So this is 3 and 5 over 11. This is the answer. Next is Hamouda is comparing two types of popcorn. The table shows the nutritional information. He wants to compare the number of calories per cup for each type of popcorn. Which type has more calories per cup and how many more? How many more means for both he will find and then he will subtract it. Okay. Then let's find it. So light popcorn one type and caramel popcorn another type. Okay. It has 3.5 cups. It has 2.5 cups. So whatever amount of calories is given, it is for 3.5 cup for light popcorn, and for caramel popcorn it is 170 calories in 2.5 cups. Okay. So what you are going to do? You have to find for 1 cup of popcorn. Okay. So for light popcorn, it will be for 1 cup, you will have to divide it. Okay. So it will be 105 over 3.5, and here for this caramel it will be 170 over 2.5, means it will be 105 times 2 over 7, and here it will be 170 times 2 over 5. So I think it will be cancelled out. Yes, 7 times 1 7, 3, 7 5s are 35, 15 times 2 30, and it will be 5 times 3 15, and 5 4s are 20, 34 times 2 68. Okay, so it has 30 calories per cup and it has 68 calories per cup. So which type has more calories? Of course, caramel popcorn has more calories, and by how much? 68 minus 30. So it will be 38 calories more in caramel popcorn. Okay. Now next is Shamma exercised 6 days in a week. 6 days in a week. She averaged burning 284.5. Average means it is the result of division. So division, then answer will be 284.5. Now we have to check what we will write up and what we will write down. Okay. Now you see, this is average of what? 6 days. So compulsorily 6 will go down, and then write a division equation that could be used to find the total number of calories she burned this week. So variable will come up. So this is the division equation. If they ask to solve you, then what you will do? You will multiply both sides by 6, here also by 6. So x is equal to, why we are multiplying by 6? Because here 6 in division with x. So we'll multiply. Okay. So x is equal to 284.5 multiplied by 6. So it will be, just multiply them, you will get the answer. 6 times 5 30, 3 carried forward, 6 times 4 24, and 3 27, 2 forward, 6 times 8 48, 48 and 2 50, and then 6 times 2 12, 12 and 5 17. Okay. Next is, on a 3 hours bike ride, Hammad averaged, again you see we have average. Okay. So means this is the result of division. Miles per hour. Write a division equation that could be used to find the total distance. Okay. So it is the average of 3 hours. So 3 will go down and x will come up. So x is equal to 5.25 times 3. So this is 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 3 5s are 15 miles. Okay. Hope, my dear students, you understand the questions and the concept behind it. Practice more questions, and if you like this and if you think that it will help you in increasing your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Okay. Thank you.